Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening to all. Total how many members joining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total how many members? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 9 students. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Myself Balu. I am working in Chaitanya Narayana and present I am working in Giraffe Learning. Giraffe Coaching Center. You know, I have 7 years of experience in mathematics. I am teaching in JE level. See, all of you, how many chapters are completed in +1? How many chapters completed?
So still trigonometry is going on.
Trigonometry. Okay. Trigonometry already completed or starting only?
So till compound angles we have done.
Okay. Compound angles. All of you know degree measurements, degree and radian, how to convert degree to radian, radian to degree. All of you know?
Yes, sir.
Huh? See, what is trigonometry? Trigonometry.
So three angle measurement.
Okay. Next. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is a
Three angle measurement.
measurement of angle. Correct? What is angle? What is angle?
The measure between two arcs. Measure between two arcs.
Hmm. Hmm. Tell. Tell what is angle? Navika. Navika, are you hear me? Navika, tell me angle. What is angle? Next, Aditya. Aditya.
Yes, sir.
Ah. Tell angle. What is angle?
So can I?
Tell.
So
Navika.
angle is a measure between two lines that meet at a point. Two lines or arcs.
Two lines. This line only. Initial side, correct? This one is terminal side. Okay, measurement of angle is the amount of rotation from the initial side to the terminal side is called angle, correct? This angle is positive or negative ascending to the initial side that rotates in anti-clockwise or clockwise direction to get the terminal side. See, this is initial ray, initial side. This is the angle theta, suppose. This is anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction, positive direction, anti-clockwise. Okay, this is terminal side. Now, this is initial ray, initial side. This angle is terminal side and initial side. This angle is theta only. This direction is clockwise direction, negative direction of x-axis, negative direction of x-axis. Now, system of measuring angles, how many types? System of measuring angles, how many types? How many types of measuring angles? How
Three.
many types of measuring angles?
3 types.
Yes, tell me.
So first is sexagesimal system. Second,
Okay. Sexadecimal system or degree measure. Correct?
yeah, yes, sir.
Yes.
And then
Okay.
centesimal system.
Ah,
Centesimal.
yes. Centesimal system,
And third is radian.
radian measure or circular system. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the degree measure? Sexagesimal system. Sexagesimal system or degree measure. What is degree measure? What is degree measure?
So 60 minutes.
60 minutes. If a right angle is divided into 90 equal parts, then each part is called a degree. If a right angle is divided into 90 equal parts, then each part is called degree. 1 degree is divided into 60 equal parts. Correct?
Yes,
1
sir.
degree is divided into 60 equal parts. Each part is called a minute. Correct? Each part is called a minute. Now,
Yes.
1 minute is divided into 60 equal parts. Each part is called,
Seconds.
yes, correct. Now, one right angle is equal to 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Okay. Now, 1 minute is equal to 60 minutes.
So 60
One,
seconds.
okay. 1 degree is equal. Sorry, the 1 degree is equal to 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, 60 minutes. Now, one minute. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Okay. Now, this one centesimal system. Tell me. What is centesimal system? Deepika. Tell me, Deepika.
Yes, sir.
Centesimal system. Second system, tell me.
Yes, sir. One right angle is divided into 100 equal parts.
Yes, is called grade, right?
Yes, sir.
And each grade is subdivided into 100 minutes.
100 minutes.
And each minute into
Uh,
100 seconds. Correct?
yes, sir.
One right angle is equal to 100 grades. 100 over G, right? Okay, one right angle is equal to 1 grade. 1 grade is equal to 100 minutes. 100 minutes. Okay, 1 minute is equal to 1 minute is equal to 100 seconds. 100 seconds. 100 seconds. Next, final. Circular system or radian measure. Circular system or radian measure. Tell. 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 Vaibhavi. Radian measure.
Sir, in radian measure,
Hmm.
when we draw a circle and from the center,
Okay. Center.
we draw another
Ah,
arc touching the circumference. This is equal
okay.
to the radius.
Okay.
So
Ah,
that angle,
ah.
so that angle is radian.
That angle is radian. The angle subtended by the arc at the center of the circle is measured by dividing the length of arc. Length of arc by the length of the radius. See, angle is equal to length of the arc. Length of the arc AB. Arc AB upon radius of the circle, right? Radius of the circle OA. Radius of the circle OA. Okay, this is radian measure. Theta is equal to some, this one is L take or S take. Okay, S by R. Theta is equal to S by R. Radian. 1 radian is equal to 1 radian is equal to, tell me. 1 radian is equal to 1 radian. 1 radian. Aditya, 1 radian is equal to Deepika.
Yes, sir.
1 radian is equal to
180 degree.
180 degree by pi, right? 180
sir.
degree
Only
by pi.
180.
Only 180.
Only 180 degree.
1 radian is equal to only 180 degree.
So 1 radian is equal to 180 degree divided with pi.
Yes, correct. Pi radians is equal to 180 degree. Pi radians is equal to 180 degree. 1 radian is equal to 180 degree by pi. 1 degree is equal to 1 degree. 1 degree is equal to
Pi by 180.
pi by 180 radian. Correct? Pi by 180 radian. Now, how to convert degree to radian, radian to degree? All of you know? See, suppose 1 radian. Okay. 1 radian. 1 radian is equal to 180 degree by pi, right? 180 degree by pi. Pi value 22 by 7. Correct?
Yes, sir.
22 by 7 degree. After that,
So now you have to calculate.
Okay, 11s are and 290, yeah?
Yes, sir.
90, 630, right?
630 by 11.
30 by 11 degree, power degree. Now dividing method, 11, 11 6 are 66, no? 11 5s are 55. 11 5s are 55. Now
8.
1, 1, okay. 14, 14 5, 9 are 90. 8s are 88 is equal to 2, right? Coefficient 2 is equal to 58 degree, 58 degree, 58 degree, 2 by 11 degree, right?
The 63 minus 55 is 8, right?
60,
63 minus 55 is 8.
8, wait, 14. 14 minus 5,
Sir, it's
So
8.
13 minus 5.
8, okay, 80. Okay. 7 jar, 57 jar, 77 and 3. Okay, 3 by 11. 3 by 11 into converted to minutes. 57 degree, 57 degree, 3 into 60 upon 11 minutes, right? 3 6 180, 180, 180, 11 ones are 11, 11, this one is 9, 70, 70. Now 11 6 are 66, 66 4 are 4, okay. 57 degree, 16 minutes and 4 into again
4 seconds.
seconds convert. 4 into 60, 1, 240. 240, 240 divided by 11 again. Okay. 2s are 22. 22, 220. Correct? 1s are 11, 9. Correct? See, approximately 57 degree, 16 minutes and 21 seconds approximately. Correct? See, 1 radian is equal to 57 degree, 16 minutes and 21 seconds approximately. All of you understood? All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, see, degree, how to convert degree? See, relation between degree and radian. One formula shortcut is there. Degree by 90 degree is equal to grade by 100 is equal to 2r radian by upon pi. This is the shortcut method. All of you know this form? All of you know relation between degree and radian, and one more thing, grade. Degree by 90 degree is equal to grade by 100 is equal to 2 into radian by pi. This is the shortcut method. These two take degree and radian. Degree and radian, d by 90 is equal to 2r by pi. Now see radian. 1 radian is equal to 180 degree by pi, right? Now see, listen, d by 90 is equal to 2 by pi into 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi, right? Understood? 180 degree by pi. All of you understood? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Now d is equal to d is equal to d is equal to tell. Okay, this one is 1 no. D by 90 is equal to 2 into 1 by pi. Now d is equal to 180 degree by pi, right? D is equal to 180 degree by pi. Now same process is same. Okay, this is shortcut method. D by 90 is equal to 2r by pi. Okay, same thing. Radian, how to convert radian? How to convert radian? Radian. One degree is equal to pi by 180. 180 radian. 180 radian. 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. Now convert. Pi value is 22 by 7. 7 into 180 radian. Now cancel. 11s are 9s are, right? 11 by 630. 630 radian. 11 by 630 radian is equal to 11 by 630. 11 by 630. 0.01746 radians, right? 0.01746 radians, correct? 1 degree is equal to 0.01746 radian, correct? Aditya, are you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes,
1
sir.
degree. See, 30 degrees is equal to, tell me, 30 degrees is equal to 30 degrees is equal to 30 degrees is equal to, tell me. Tell.
Pi by 6 radian.
Pi by 6
Radian.
radian. 15 degrees is equal to 15 degrees is equal to pi by 12 radian. See this one, all of you note down. 30 degrees is equal to pi by 6 radian. 15 degrees is equal to pi by 12 radian. And next 45 degrees is equal to pi by 4 radian. And fourth one, next 60 degrees is equal to pi by 3 radian. And fifth one, next 60 after 75. 75 degrees is equal to 5 pi by 12 radian. And the sixth one, 90 is equal to pi by 2 radian. Next, seventh one, 105 degree. 105 degree, 7 pi by 12. 7 pi by 12 radian. And eighth one, 120 degree. 120 degree is equal to 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 radian. All of you note down. Next, ninth one, ninth one. 135 degree. 135 degree is equal to 135 degree.
3 pi by 4.
3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 radian. Now next 10th one. 150 degree. 150 degree is equal to 150 degree. 150. 5 pi by 6 radian. 5 pi by 6 radian. And 165. 165 degree. 165 degree. 11 pi by 12 radian. All of you note down. Important. 12th one. 180 degree. 180 degree pi radians. Next 13 one. 195. 195 degree. 195 degree. 195 degree. Tell me. 195 degree. 195 degree. 13 pi by 12. 13 pi by 12 radian. 14. 195. 210. Next. 210 degree. 210 degree. 210 degree. 210 degree. 7 pi by
7 pi by 6.
7 pi by 6 radian. And 15th. 235. 225. 225 degree. 225 degree. 5 pi by 4, right? 5 pi by 4 degree. 5 pi by 4 radian. 16. 255 degree. 255 degree. 255. 17 pi by 12. 17 pi by 12 radian. Next 17. 17. 17. 17. 270 degree. 270 degree.
3 pi by 2 radian.
3 pi by 2 radian. 3 pi by 2 radian. Next 18. 285 degree. 285 degree. 285. 19 pi by 12 radian. Next 300 degree. 300 degree. 5 pi by 3 radian. Next 315 degree. 7 pi by 4 radian. 7 pi by 4 radian. Next 21. 330 degree. 330 degree. 330 degree. 11 pi by 6 radian. Next 22. 345 degree. 345 degree. 345. 23 pi by 12 radian. Next 23. 360 degree. 360 degree 2 pi radian. See, all of you note down. Total 23.
So we are unable to see the top part of the board. Could you please adjust the camera?
Adjust the camera. Okay. Okay.
Sir, a bit more up.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Note down. All radians useful for JE level.
So the 22nd one is 341.
345.
Okay.
345 is equal to 23 pi upon 12 radian. 362 pi radian. All of you complete? All of you complete? Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Find degree measure. Find degree measure 5 pi by 12 radian. Find degree measure 5 pi by 12 radian. Find degree measure.
75.
Huh?
75.
Yes, correct. Minus 3 radian. Minus 3 radian. Minus 3 radian. In 3.2 exercise is complete in NCRT.
Sir, actually, we don't follow any particular book.
Okay, okay. Just concepts.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And sir used to, like the previous sir, he used to give homework. We'll do that questions.
Okay, okay. Sir will said only NCRT is the. I'm teaching only NCRT, but I will teach you up to competitive level. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And a mains level and MSET level, KSET level. This is big chapter, trigonometry. Total 6 concepts is there. Trigonometric ratios and identities, and trigonometric equations, and periodic functions, and multiple and submultiple angles, and compound angles, and transformations. 6 concepts, big chapter. trigonometric ratios and identities is completed, no? Aditya? Trigonometric ratios and identities completed. First concept, trigonometric ratios and identities. Second concept, compound angles. Third concept, multiple and submultiple angles. Fourth concept, transformations. Fifth concept, periodic function or extreme values and extreme values. Periodic function and extreme values. And the sixth one is trigonometric equations. That is most important concept in JE level, competitive level. First concept completed, no? Trigonometric ratios and identities
Yes, sir.
completed. Okay. Tell -3 radian. -3 radian. Using shortcut, d by 90 degree is equal to 2r by pi. D by 90 is equal to 2 by pi into -3. Tell me exact answer. D is equal to. D is equal to. Tell me fast.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, I'm sorry, but I didn't understand the shortcut method fully. I understood, but it is not that clear.
is not coming.
Sir, could you once again explain the shortcut method?
Oh, okay. Easy shortcut method. See, d by 90 degree is equal to 2r by pi. Correct?
Why? Yeah.
Now r is equal to -3, right? Radian -3. Now d by 90 degree is equal to 2 by pi into -3, right? D is equal to 2 into 3 -6 into cross multiply 90 degree into pi value 22 by 7. Pi value is 22 by 7. Numerator 7, right? Denominator 22, right? Correct? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now cancel. 2 11s are 2 45s are correct. 45 and 11, right? Is equal to 45. Minus 1890, right? Minus 1890 upon 11 degree. Okay, understood? Minus 1890 upon 11 degree. After that, division 1890.
Okay, sir.
1890, 11 jar 11, 7, 790. Now again 7, 77. Now 20, 1 jar 11, 29. Okay, 171 degree, 9 by 11 degree is equal to, convert minutes, 9 into 60 upon 11 minute. 50, 530, right? 530, 530, 530, 4 jar, 5 jar 55, 4 jar 44, 44, 1, 13, 13,
So,
9, 90,
so,
11, sorry, tell it.
so when we divide that, if we put point, we get 171.8181.
170 take. Nearest, no?
Okay, so we shouldn't leave like that.
Leave, no problem, leave.
Okay.
Approximately value find. Now 1190, 9, 11, 9, 11, 8, 88, 88, 2. Then 171 degree, 48 minutes, and 2 into 60 again. 2 into 60, 120. 120, 11 tens are 110. 110 and remaining 10 only, no? Now 10 seconds. 10 seconds approximately. So everyone got it, this one? 171 degree, 48 minutes, 10 seconds approximately. See, minus 3 radian degree. Degree is equal to 171 degree, 48 minutes, 10 seconds approximately, correct? All of you understood shortcut method?
Yes, sir.
This is
Got it,
shortcut.
sir.
Shortcut method. Suppose, see, radian find. Degree is given, radian. How to convert? See, find radian measure, degree is given. 22 degree, 30 minutes. 22 degree, 30 minutes. Tell me the answer. 22 degree, 30 minutes. Find radian measure. Radian measure. (22 degree 30 minutes). Same, d by 90 degree is equal to 2r by pi. First 22 degree 30 minutes find. First 22 degree, convert 22 degree 30 degree. 30 degree plus 1 by 2 degree, right? (22 degree) tell me the answer. I will explain. (22° plus 1/2°), right? 30 minutes.
So,
Deepika, tell.
is it 5/8?
5 by?
5/8?
Yes, correct. 5/8 radian.
Yes, sir.
Yes, correct. 22°, 30 minutes is equal to 5/8.
1/2.
1
No,
by
sir,
2
yeah.
degree. Right, right.
Yes, sir.
30 minutes, 1/2°. 45 upon 2°, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now same. Now here substituting. Sorry, degree now. Degree here substitute. 45° upon 2°. All of you complete?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. See, next problem. The circular measure, the circular measure of two angles, circular measure of two angles of a triangle, are 1/2 radian and 1/3 radian. What is the number of degrees in the third angle? The circular measure of two angles of a triangle are half radian and 1/3 radian. What is the number of degrees in the third angle? Number of degrees in the third angle. Important problem. Important. Problem. The circular measure of two angles of a triangle are 1/2 radian and 1/3 radian. What is the number of degrees in the third angle? All of you understood this problem? Understood? Problem understood? Deepika?
Yes, sir, I'm solving.
Okay. And Aditya? Aditya? Are you hear me? Aditya?
Yes, sir.
And Navika? Tanya Singh? the circular measure of two angles. Radian is converted to degree. First radian find. Radians, tell me. Third angle radian. 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 Deepika.
Yes, sir.
Radian. Radian.
The first one is 28.66.
3.
So it's 1 by 2 radians. So 1 by 2 into 180 by 5.
Okay.
So the first angle in degrees is 28.66.
Okay.
The second angle is 19.1 degrees.
Okay.
So after that I'm solving.
Okay. See, third angle is equal to pi minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 radian, right? Pi minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 radian, right? Divika?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Find 22 by 7. 22 by 7 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Three angles, A plus B plus C is equal to 180.
Yes,
Third
sir.
angle, any angle. One angle is equal to, that angle is
So-
subtracting remaining two angles.
Is it 132.27 degree?
132.
0.27 degree.
42 radian. 97 by 42 radian. Third angle is equal
Okay,
to
sir.
97 upon, see, take LCM this one. 22 by 7 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 radian. Now take LCM. 42, right? 42. 42 numerator. 132. 132 minus 21 minus 14, right? 14 into radian is equal to 132 minus minus 21 minus 14, 97. 97 upon 42 radian. Third angle. Okay. Now this angle converted to degree. Converted to degree. 97 upon 42 into converted to degree 180 degree upon pi. Now find. Okay, understood? See, 97 upon 42 into 180 degree upon pi degree. Degree find. Radian converted to degree. Now pi value 22/7. Pi value 22/7. Then final answer, tell me.
So I'm getting it as 132.27 degree.
132.27 degree.
Yes, sir.
132 degree. 132 degree.
Okay, sir.
Minutes. Minutes and seconds. Tell me.
So,
Minutes and seconds.
so
Converted to minutes.
132 degree, 15 minutes, 12.6 seconds.
12.6
6 seconds.
seconds. Yes, correct. 12 seconds.
Yes.
12 seconds. Approximately. All of you complete. All of you complete. Aditya, Navika, Tanya Singh,
Yes, sir, complete.
complete. Next problem, nodo. The angles of a triangle, the angles of a triangle are in AP. Are in AP. The ratio of number of degrees of the least number of degrees of the least angle is to the number of radians in the greatest angle. In the greatest angle is given as 60:pi. Find the angles in degrees. Find the angles in degrees. This problem also important model. Important. The angles of a triangle are in AP. Once again repeated question. The angles of a triangle are in AP. The ratio of number of degrees of the least angle is to the number of radians in the greatest angle is given as 60:pi. 60:pi. Find the angles in degrees. Find the angles in degrees. Find the angles in degrees.
So can you tilt the camera upward?
Okay. The angle of a triangle are in AP. The ratio of number of degrees of the least angle is to the number of radians in the greatest angle is given as 60:pi. Find the angles in degrees. Find the angles in degrees. Let us take three angles are in AP, A minus D, A plus D, right? Three angles are in AP. Devika, Deepika,
Yes, sir.
what is that? Three angles are in AP.
I didn't get this question.
Can't understand.
Sir, what is AP?
Arithmetic progression. Okay, you don't know.
So we don't know this. So
No, sir, we don't know.
Okay. Okay, this question leave. Okay. Next, find the length. Find the length of an arc. Find the length of an arc of a circle. Of radius 3 centimeter, of radius 3 centimeter, if the angle subtended at the center, if the angle subtended at the center, is 30 degree, Find the length of an arc of a circle of radius 3 centimeters if the angle subtended at the center is 30 degree. In 10th sequence and series is there, no? 9th is not there. Tell me the answer. This type of models completed, no? Before only. Deepika?
So this type of question, I don't think we did. I mean, the previous teacher didn't teach us this kind of question.
Okay, no problem. So what is the angle? Angle theta is equal to, what is the formula? L by R, right? Angle theta is equal to L by R. Length of arc upon radius of the circle. Theta is given, theta 30 degree. 30 degree converted to radian. 30 degree converted to radian. Pi by 6 radian. Pi by 6 radian. R is given, R is equal to 3. Then find length of arc, find. I will explain. Navika,
Sir.
complete.
No, sir. I'm just doing the last step.
Okay, okay. Deepika, complete. Deepika.
So I'm doing it.
Okay, okay. Aditya,
Sir, doing it.
doing. Okay. Rajashri Rai.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So can you repeat that formula once more?
Formula
Yes, sir. You just
theta
told
is
me.
equal to L by R.
Okay.
In radian measure already, you know, already completed, no concept. Radian measure. Length of an arc by radius of the circle, L by R. Theta is given. Theta is equal to 30 degree. 30 degree pi by 6 radian. Okay, R value already is given. R is equal to 3. Theta is equal to L by R. Theta is equal to L by R. Theta value pi by 6. Pi by 6 is equal to L by R3. Now L find length of arc. Length of arc. L is equal to pi into 3
3 pi by
upon
6.
6. Pi value is 3.14. 3.14 into 3 upon 6 is equal
Sir,
to
is the answer 15.7?
15.7
7.
or 1.5 1.57.
15.7.
15.7. Once again, check it once. Check it once. 3 1 jar, 3 2 jar. 3.14 upon 2. 3.14 upon 2.
So 1.57.
Yes, correct. 1.57 is the right answer. 1.57. Length of arc. Length of arc is 1.57 centimeters. 1.57 centimeters length of arc. Length of arc. This type of questions is not complete in previous days.
No, sir.
Okay. Next, all of you understood this problem? Once again, I will explain. Tell me yes or no. Tanya Singh, Trishala, Vaibhavi.
Understood, sir.
Understood? Okay.
Yeah.
Next problem, important problem in CBSE level. Next problem in CBSE level. If in two circles arc, if in two circles arcs of the same length subtended angles of 60 degree and 75 degree at the center find the ratio of their their radii. Important, very important in CBSE level. CBSE, very important. If in two circles arcs of the same length subtended angle of 60 degree and 75 degree at the center, find the ratio of their radii. Means ratio find. Question understood, all of you? This question understood? Deepika,
Yes, sir.
this question understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, radii of the two circles R1 and R2 respectively. R1 and R2 take. Let the radii of the two circles R1 and R2 respectively. Then the length of the arc. First circle find and second circle find. Two circles, no? First circle. First circle is 60 is given, no? 60. Base is equal length AB. This one is L. Let us take this point is C.
So is it 5:4?
Hmm?
5:4.
5 into
5:4.
5:4. Yes, correct. Devika, right? Deepika. Okay. 5:4 is the correct answer. Navika,
Sir.
complete, huh?
Yes, sir. Even I got 5:4.
5:4. Okay, next Aditya. Aditya Murthy.
Yes, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, Rajashi Rai.
Yes, sir. Even I got 5:4.
5:4. Okay. Next, Tanya Singh.
Yes, sir, completed. I got 5:5.
Okay.
Sorry,
Trishala.
5:4.
Trishala.
Done, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir. Same answer.
Okay. Next, Vaibhavi.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. See, express 57 5 degree 37 minute and 30 seconds into radian. Express 5 degree 37 minutes 30 seconds into radian. Express 5 degree 37 minutes 30 seconds into radian.
Sir, I got the answer.
Tell.
Sir, I got like 0.098 radians.
0.098.
98. Yes, sir.
Radian.
Radian only.
Radian, 0.098. Pi by 32 radian. Calculate pi by 32. Pi by 32. Calculate. Zero 0.098 is wrong. Deepika.
Yes, I'm doing it.
Navika.
So just 2 minutes.
Okay. Rajarshi Rai. 0.098, right? That is wrong. Tanya Singh. Trishala. Tell me the answer. Exact
Sir,
answer.
I'm doing.
You don't know? Trishala?
Sir, I'm doing.
Okay. Tanya Singh?
Yes, sir. Sir, I am also doing.
Okay. This is the last problem.
So is the answer 9 pi by 32 radians?
Pi by 32 radian. Pi
Yes,
by
sir.
32 radian. That is the answer. Pi
Sir,
by
I got it.
You got Deepika?
So Navika.
Yes.
Navika. Okay, Deepika?
Yes, I just now got it.
Okay. Next, Rajarshi Rai.
Yes, sir.
You got?
Sir, is the answer pi by 32 radian?
Pi by 32 radian is the correct answer.
Okay, sir. Sir, I got it.
Okay. Next, Tanya Singh.
Yes, sir. I also got it.
Vaibhavi.
Got it, sir.
Okay. Then next class, compound angles. I will start next class, compound angles. Total 6 concepts is there. First one is trigonometric ratios and identities, already completed, no? Trigonometric ratios and identities. And the next concept is compound angles. And the third concept is multiple and submultiple angles. And the fourth concept is transformations. And the fifth concept is periodic functions. And the sixth concept is trigonometric equations. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next class next week now. Then I will start compound angles. Okay, thank you. Time is over now.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.